welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be unboxing a little SBD London haul, and then at the very end of the video I'm going to be doing a nail, a very quick nail as well, because I just wanted to try the Mermaid Putty. So Louise kindly sent me some extra bits in with my packet. She spoils me, she's so lovely. She sent me these chains. Do you remember last year when people were doing those thread pulling nails with gel polish? You could do those with these, or you could use these to add decoration to the top of your nail. These ones are quite nice. These dark ones have got like gold, they've got hints of gold in them. I thought they'd be quite good for something. I'll have to think if I can do something with these. But yeah, so she sent me some of those, and this mat is stunning. I was trying to take it, it took me a little while to find out how to open it. I couldn't find the bit that anyway, I found it eventually. Somewhere. Here it is, yeah. So I'm going to take it out and show you. It's got, look, loads of little crystals, and they're all like, I don't know, but it's really pretty. I couldn't stop looking at it. Can you see? Really pretty. Anyway, I didn't even know she'd done mats, so that's pretty cool. This is the Neon Platinum series, the collection. This is absolutely beautiful. So if you know SBD London, you'll know that she already does a pure platinum and platinum. I think it's just platinum and pure platinum range, and this is the Neon Platinum to sort of complement that range, I suppose. In this one there are 6 gel polishes. They come with instructions, and each bottle comes individually wrapped. These literally had only just turned up, and I thought, right, I'm going to do an unboxing. So these were really cold, but I am going to swatch these, but I had to let them warm up a little bit before I swatch them. So I'll swatch them in a minute, but I'm going to carry on opening some of the bits that I bought and that she kindly sent me. So in here because I'm not doing acrylic anymore. Do you know, I actually missed acrylic a little bit the other day, and then I remember the smell, and I was like, no. Anyway, these are like sculpting gels. Hers are called Pretty Putty and Mermaid Putty. Now the Pretty Putties are like plain colours. I'll show you in a minute. Let me just get these out. So I am going to get some more of these eventually, because I loved the colours. The neon ones are amazing. So this is, can you see this one at the bottom? This is a Mermaid Putty, the name. Can you see this? It's got like a really unusual, I don't know what you call it, like a sheen. This is magenta. This is amazing, this colour. So this is a Pretty Putty. This is just a plain colour. Look at that. Isn't that a really gorgeous, bright fuchsia-y pink? I don't know why, sometimes I have to touch things, and I just had to touch these. But don't do it with your naked skin. You shouldn't really do it with naked skin. This one was dark magenta. I absolutely love this one. This is like, that purple is just Teddy, it's not the door. That is just like a really nice purple. This one is ruby red. This is a really nice deep ruby red. Have a look at this. How gorgeous is that? I need to do some things with these. Yeah, so because I'm not using acrylic, I'm going to need these sort of sculpting type gels to do 3D work if I want to. Look at this neon. It actually says orange. They've misspelled orange. Which made me chuckle. I don't know why, small things. But that neon orange is amazing. And this is neon pink. I would call it, this to me looks more like a coral, but I absolutely love that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I really like that. I'm going to have to get the other neon. Look, again, look. Why do I have to touch? Why do you touch it, Nats? Don't touch. Okay, moving on. These are, I think all of these in here are Mermaid Putties. So I'm going to get these out if I can. Oh, firstly, look at the label. The Mermaid Putties have like glittery. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm going to take them out. Okay, so this first one is Dazzling Diamond. I'm going to use this one today. So again, this one's got like a really, oh, I don't know if it doesn't pick it up very well on the camera, but it's got like a really nice sort of, is it a shimmer? I don't know if it's a shimmer or a sheen, or I'm not quite sure how to explain it. This one is silver sparkle. This one is like proper silver. Ready? Pop. How gorgeous is that? Oh, look, again, why do you touch Nats? Why do you poke it like it's something that needs, I don't know, you weirdo. Okay, stop. Right, the next one, I love this one. This is glycerine green. Glycerine green, is that how you say it? I don't know, but this would be perfect for like leaves, but like, oh my god, amazing leaves. Wouldn't look, leaves, not leaves. I love that color. And I also got another green, because sometimes it's nice to have different color greens. This one's called emerald green, because like leaves aren't all the same green, are they? You get like different shade, and you get obviously brown leaves and orange leaves and red leaves. But look at that. Oh, that looks so regal. Is that the right word? It just looks opulent. Oh, luxurious. I don't know. I absolutely love this colour. Like a proper, oh, it's yummy. I really, really like that. And then I've also got precious purple. This one's also very, very amazing. Ooh, stop. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Pop. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is, oh, I love dark purples. I also like, look, again, why do you poke it? Stop. Stop it. I love dark purples and I love lilacs. Oh, that's right up my street. And then this one is Sapphire Blue. This one's more turquoisey. I would have thought it would be a bit more dark, but I still love this one. Look at that. Isn't that the most amazing blue? Oh, I just love these. I was like, every time I opened one, I was like, oh, and then I opened the next one and I was like, oh, and then honestly, it was so funny. Right, anyway, I am going to swatch the Neon Platinums now. So the first one is Neon Platinum 1. This is the pinky one. So in these, you've got like, I don't know if they're more like flakes than glitter, I think. I'm not entirely sure. But I do 2 coats. So that's the second coat, and then I will top coat them with the tempering top coat. This top coat is nearly finished. I've nearly finished this one. So I do struggle to get the, I like, when I'm doing videos, I like to just do like a smooth transition, but it was getting to the point where I couldn't dip my brush into the top coat to get any top coat out, because it was like, so in the end I only, like, I think when we get to like number 4, I literally just show you me putting the 2 coats of colour on, because I couldn't put the top coat on without having to put the bottle on its side to get, I like to get every last little bit out. This is number 2. This is like an orangey yellow, but I really, really like this. I think you could get away with it being almost orange, but it's not. I think it's supposed to be yellow, because the next one is very orange. So, I mean, if you hold them together, you'll see them all together at the end. So this is number 3. This is the orange. Orange. Fanta limon. I want to say Fanta orange. And then every time I think of Fanta, I think of Fanta limon. Fanta lemon. I'm such a weirdo. I'm on one today. I don't know what's up with me. So yeah, so this is the orange, number 3. Neon Platinum number 3. See, I had to pick the bottle up to get some, and I just thought, I don't like that on my video. I want it to be coat 1, coat 2, top coat. So yeah, from here on out, it's just going to be 2 coats of colour and not the top coat, because I struggled to put it on. Yeah, my thumb looks dirty. Ew. Right, anyway, number 2, no, number 4. Isn't this beautiful? I love this one. Very nice. That's quite Christmassy, isn't it? It's got like it's a purple, but it's got like a pinky vibe in it, that one. Number 3, why do I want to say 3 when it's a 5? I really, really like this green. It's a winner for me. Winner, chicken dinner. It it's St. Patrick's Day soon, isn't it, coming up? This green would be perfect for, oh, it's just, and Christmas. It's like a Christmas green too. And then number 6, oh, I think we're going to end this on a banger. Look at this blue. Oh yeah, baby. That's my kind of blue. But I do like, I don't know, I like blues too. I like purples, I like greens. It's so difficult. There we go. So that's the second coat. Isn't that yummy? Then I'm gonna, oh, look at that. See, that these are them all together. See, next to the orange, the yellow does look yellow, but it is like an orangey yellow, isn't it? So you could probably, I don't know. Do you think it's an orangey yellow? I think it's an orangey yellow. I like it though. Right, so for the nail that I'm going to do, I've got nude 11. So I'm just going to apply this. I just wanted to play around with one of the Mermaid Putties. And I thought, you know what? Let's just record this and we can stick it on the end of the video, because sometimes it's nice to have a nail or a set or something with something that you've used from the unboxing video, isn't it? Because sometimes, I don't know, sometimes it's nice to see what people get in their boxes, but I think it's nice to have that little bit extra. Talking of a little bit extra, we don't want fluff, so I took the fluff out. Right, this is the matte top coat. So 2 coats of nude, 1 coat of matte top coat. It's a little bit of extra something there, I don't know when it was. Right, pop that in the lamp. Now, I thought I'd use the Dazzling Diamond Mermaid Putty for this one. So you'll see, it looks like it's got like I don't know, but it looks really nice. Anyway, I'm going to roll it into a sort of, again, you should do this with gloves on. You shouldn't really do this with naked skin. It's like an oval pea, you know, like the vegetable pea. I'm going to pop it on. Now, with these kind of sculpting gels, you sometimes have to press down quite hard to get them to stick. They're all quite different. Like, some are more sticky, some are more dry. I think it just depends on, you just kind of have to find one that works for you. But I've got this is just an old 3D brush, and it is a little bit, I moisten it with water. Moisten. I don't use cleanse, I use water. Don't oversaturate it though. You just want enough so that the sculpting gel doesn't stick to the brush. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So it kind of gave me, I was kind of having like Cameo vibes. You know, Cameo brooches that people used to wear more. They're not really very trend, they're not really a thing. Well, they are a thing, that's a lie, but I think they were popular, more popular with, you know, back in the day. Anyway, so I'm going to give it a border. So I have put some gem glue around the outside of it, and I'm using the Scarlet Centre Crystal Pro to pick up some rose gold micro beads or caviar beads, don't know what you want to call them. And I'm literally going to put these all the way around the edge so that it looks like Google Cameo brooches, you'll know what I mean. There we go. So Cameo brooches normally have like a face of a lady, like a side profile of a lady. But I couldn't be bothered to try and even attempt to do a tiny little lady's face on this. So I just took the tempering top coat and I put it over the top to just give it more of a shiny, I thought, right, because I don't want to make it a cameo. I thought we'd make it look more like a gemstone. So I've given it the tempering top coat on top, and yeah, just to make it look shiny. And then I've got some Preciosa Capri Gold crystals. I'm going to pop those into my glitter tray thingy. I've put a little bit of gem glue along the top there, and I'm just going to put some crystals on. And then I also do place one underneath. The one on the top fell off because there wasn't enough gem glue. I didn't go high enough with the gem glue. So if it's not on there later, you'll probably wonder why, and it's because there wasn't any gem glue enough. There we go. But what I decided to do was buff over the surface and then put a little rose on, because I thought, well, I can't do a lady because it's too intricate. So I thought I'd do a little rose. And this is what it ended up like. So I've done the rose and then I top coated again. And ta-da! But it looks like a sort of cute little cameo style gemstone kind of, I don't know, it's nice. I think so. Anyway, I'll leave the website to SBD London in the description box below. Do check them out. Have an amazing weekend. And I will see you beautiful lot on Monday. Love you all. Bye.